Hi guys, it's been like 3 years or so that I haven't posted on this channel, and I always wanted to cover tech reviews and tech news, but I guess I was not able to do it back then. So after 3 years, this is me back again. Hey guys, this is Dhruv from Tech Android. So starting off, we have got a news from Apple. According to Mark Gurman, who reports to Bloomberg, Apple has increased the production of the new iPhone lineup by 20%, which is a significant increase compared to the last year's model. The main reason behind this is Apple is having a major upgrade in the display section of the new iPhones and also the cameras. Well, considering my opinion on this, most of the iPhone users have never used a 120Hz display before. So giving them an opportunity to use a 120Hz display would definitely increase the sales. And also, according to the major leaks which are being floating around, the camera module has also got a major upgrade for the Pro models. The Pro models are getting a huge camera lenses compared to the last year's iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max models. And Apple's marketing team has always made sure that the consumers are tempted to buy the more expensive model from the lineup. So even I think that most of them should consider the iPhone 13 Pro or the 13 Pro Max model, considering the fact that there is a major upgrade in the camera and the display. So yeah, even if you are considering to buy an iPhone, so I guess you should wait for the 13 Pro or the 13 Pro Max model. So iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, yes, we are getting an iPhone 13 mini this time. There won't be any significant change in the design or the form factor of the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, but we are getting a change in the camera cluster for both of them. So the iPhone 13 and the 13 mini's camera lenses would be diagonally placed this time. The reason being that is iPhone 13 and the 13 mini would be getting an OIS, that is optical image stabilization. So considering the current form factor of the iPhone 12 and the 12 mini, it is quite difficult for Apple to implement the mechanism of OIS in the camera cluster. So that's the main reason they are placing the cameras diagonally so that the mechanism would be easily implemented on the iPhone 13 and the 13 mini. So next up we have OnePlus Nord. Yesterday, that is 23rd of July, OnePlus Nord was launched here in India, and it starts from 28,000 rupees and it goes all the way to around 35,000 rupees in India. So for the base variant, it has around 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, whereas for the top spec variant, it has around 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It has a battery of 4500 mAh, and coming from the OnePlus 9, it has a warp charge of warp charge 65, that is 65 watt of charging. Also, it has a 90 Hz display, so I guess for 4500 mAh battery would definitely last for a day. Also coming from OnePlus 9 is the camera sensor. The OnePlus Nord has the same camera sensor as that of the OnePlus 9, that is Sony IMX766. So unless tweaked by OnePlus, I don't think that there would be any significant difference between the picture quality of the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus Nord. So considering the fact that it is a 5G phone and starting from 28,000, I think it is a fair deal by OnePlus, and let me know in the comment section below if you are interested in buying the OnePlus Nord or not. So along with OnePlus Nord, OnePlus also launched OnePlus Buds Pro. So OnePlus claims that OnePlus Buds Pro would be lasting for 38 hours in the case, and without the case it would be lasting for 7 hours, which is quite astonishing that compared to the form factor of OnePlus Buds Pro, that is, it is similar to AirPods Pro. Also, OnePlus Buds Pro has active noise cancellation similar to that of AirPods Pro. The case also has a Qi wireless charging. OnePlus also claims that the Buds Pro has IP55, that is water and sweat resistance. Currently, the OnePlus Buds are available in two colors, that is white and black, and the prices for that have not been finalized as of now in India. But as soon as the prices get updated, I would make sure that the prices are updated to you guys. So this is it from my side today. I'll see you guys next weekend. Until then, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Dhruv signing off. You guys have a great day.